Hi and welcome to another video of Type with me. In this video we'll see how we can go from jasmine to Jest tests within TypeScript. So Jest is a delightful JavaScript testing framework. It's a very nice framework created by people at Facebook and it's completely open source. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the transition from jasmine to Jest. We lately did that within our team at my work. We did that with our Angular tests within jasmine and we transformed it to Jest, and it was really a performance boost. You need to know that Jest has JS DOM to do transactions in the DOM, so you don't need to pop up a browser. So first of all, we need to install the right packages. For that, we need to install Jest, the types of Jest, and TS Jest, right? So let's do that. So this can take a while, so I'm gonna go to the next step, right? Jest project has a jest config file, jest.config.js, and in here we're gonna put this config. So we say the root is root dir. If you put your TypeScript files in a source folder, you can do it like this. This is really recommended, but for this demo I'm not gonna do that. But normally you will have a source folder when you have a TypeScript project, right? Then here I have a transform where we say that when something ends on .ts or .tsx, he needs to use TS Jest, right? Also the test regex, everything that has a test or a spec, .tsx or .ts will be executed within Jest. And these module file extensions will be used. So now we can do npx Jest to execute Jest. And you will see that he gives one error. So indeed, Jest also uses describe and it like jasmine, so that's great, right? But of course we need to remove this. And now we can execute it again. And all our tests are running and working. Great, we now have used Jest instead of jasmine to execute our tests. We can very easily add code coverage by collect coverage, putting it to true, and then say that we want to have code coverage reporters JSON and HTML. When we save this and we do npx Jest, you will see that we have a coverage summary where we see that so many statements are being covered, so many branches. The branches are the if statements, the switches, and so on. Then we have the functions that are being covered, and our lines of code that are being covered. You will see that we have a folder now, coverage, with index.html in it. When we open this index.html file, we get the following results. We get our TypeScript files, and then when we open this, for example this one, person, we see that hello and world is not been covered. But here, namer is completely been covered. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Type with Me.